Divide. Write the answer in lowest terms. 5 times the quantity d minus 2 over 9 divided by 3 times the quantity d minus 2 over 5. To divide, we multiply by the reciprocal. So we have 5 times d minus 2 over 9 times 5 over 3 times d minus 2. Multiplying the numerators and denominators, we have 5 times 5 times d minus 2 in the numerator, and in the denominator, we have 9 times 3 times d minus 2. Now we divide out any common factors before we simplify. We have a common factor of d minus 2 in the numerator and denominator that we can divide out, and so we're left with 5 times 5 divided by 9 times 3. Now we simplify by multiplying, and we have 25 divided by 27.